Ow! Welcome back to Plant Powered Barefoot Brent. Here we are heading down to the waterfalls. This is just the little waterfall, not the big waterfall. The cascadas. We got Rufo and Estrella with us. Happy puppies. As you can see, there's the little creek down there. You can hear it. Oh, shh. You can hear it. I love the sounds of water. For me, it's just so soothing. Here we go. Here we are. We got here so fast. Here's our little waterfall. This is, like I said, this is just the little one. Here's my girl. There's the bag up here. We don't need that. And we can go for a little tour. Show you the waterfall. You gotta be careful. The moss is a little bit slippery. The yoga comes in handy. I like to bend anyways. There we go. There we go. Oh, there we are. Last time we were down here, the water was much heavier, but it was the rainy season too. Yeah, I can actually climb all the way down right that way if I wanted to, but we're just gonna stay up here. Hey Rufy, hey buddy, isn't it beautiful? Yeah, it's a beautiful little waterfall. Then the water goes that way. Yeah, we'll go around to the other side tomorrow. I guess I could climb down here so you could see, but then I gotta climb back up. I could do that without having the camera on, so that'd be easier. It's hard to climb with the camera. Here's my girl. Hi, Duncan. Hi. Yeah, you guys love it down here, hey? Me too. It's so soothing. We'll just listen to the water for a minute, hey? I'll move over some here. Puppy. Hey, who's a happy puppy? Who's a happy puppy? You guys are the happy puppies. Yes, you're the happy puppies. Yes, you are. You're the happy puppy. Papa loves you. Papa loves you. Give me kisses. Come here. Oh, my girl. My girl. Yes, we love you too, Rufy. We love you. You're the cutest. And every time we've been down here, there's never been anybody down here. It's always just been us. This is the first time we bought Rufo. It's usually just Estrella and I. So, isn't that sweet? Little waterfall. Yeah. I could climb down there, but carrying the phone and climbing is kind of a pain in the butt. And that's a cactus there. That's the thing that you always have to think about while you're doing here is navigating the cactus. I usually have a meditation and Estrella chills out while we're down here. I think that's what I'll do. I'll do another video just of the water so you can just hear the water falling. For me, it's magic. Magic for the soul. Such a beautiful day. Almost New Year's. 3 days. Woohoo! Full power. Thank you, thank you, thank you for tuning in. We love you, we love you, we love you. Woo!